Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel The Testing Instinct. In this video I will be discussing about reading created data using query in GraphQL API. So we will be using this particular query in the demo. This query will be getting the details of the created post and we will be providing the value of ID as variable. I have already started the fake GraphQL server in my local. So this is the endpoint. I have already opened Bruno. So this is the collection we are using GraphQL server. There is already one mutation. The mutation name is create post mutation. This particular mutation will be creating a post. So first I am hitting this request. So we will be first covering the create operation. Then we will be reading the details of created post using a query type. So I am hitting this create post mutation request. So this how created this particular data in the server. Now using a query GraphQL type we are going to read these values. So I am creating a new request under this collection and clicking on these three dots, new request, choosing the type as GraphQL, giving a name get created post, copying the URL, pasting the URL, click on create. Now in the query tab I am copying this particular query and pasting it in Bruno. I am saving the request. In the variable section we need to make use of this particular JSON. I am saving the request. I am taking the first request again. If you see, you can see the ID of the created post was 3, so we have to change this value to 3. Save the request again and hit the request. You will be getting the details of the post with ID 3. You can see you have got the details of the post with ID 3. So this is how you do read operation using query type in GraphQL API. So first we are creating data in the server using a mutation. So for creation, updation and deletion we will be using mutation, and for reading the data we will be using a type called query. So here we are using the type query. So using the query type we are reading the data. I will make some changes in the values of the variables in the create post mutation. I am changing this to title for views into for you making changes in the user ID as well. I am saving the request. I am again hitting this request. You can see the updated values coming in the JSON response. Now I am changing the value of this ID. So right now we are doing this manually. The upcoming videos I will be covering how to make this dynamic. I am making the changes and saving the request again. So you have to get the details of post with ID 4. So we have got the response correctly. So this is how you read data using query type. I hope this session was useful. If you find this session useful, please consider subscribing the channel. Please like, share, and if you have any doubts, please comment on the video. I will be trying to clear your queries. Thanks for watching and keep learning.